Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can log in into Etoro on iPhone. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now to the end. Now the first thing that you should do of course is to download the application. So go to the App Store and basically download it through it. You simply have to go to Etoro and go to the App Store and search for Etoro just like this and download the first app that will be available for you. As you can see, this is the one that I will download, and here is the application. You can literally just find it and click on it and it will take you to the same page. So how can we log in? Well, first of all, you need to make yourself an account. So you can click on sign up so you can create yourself an account. The process is simple. Choose an email password and the name, or you can simply just use one of those two methods that are in the top. For example, sign up with Apple or sign up with Google. Let's switch to sign in after we created our account. So once we have switched to this page or the sign in page, I'm going to sign in with Google. So let's click on here. So I'm going to click on continue, and then I'm going to choose the account that I want to sign in with. Let's choose this one, and let's wait a little bit, click on continue. And just like that, we have signed in into our account, as you will be able to see right in front of us. It's very simple and easy, and as you can see, you can then make your settings, activate like the Face ID, change the password, view the watch list, portfolio, discover, and other stuff that might be interesting for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If in case you would like to sign out, simply just click right here and click on logout, and just like that we are in the actual login page again. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like, subscribe, and a beautiful comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.